Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure OBS and drivers are current. Outdated drivers create latency. Next, capture a short 10 to 15 second test with a visible action and sound so you can measure offset. Then, enable audio monitoring on the problematic source and choose monitor and output so you hear what OBS processes. These steps let you observe both recorded and live signals. Once done, you'll know whether the delay is input, output, or OBS processing related. Now you measure the offset. Clap once in view and compare waveform to frame, count milliseconds from video frame to audio peak. Once you have a number, open OBS Mixer, click the gear, go to Advanced Audio Properties, and enter the sync offset for that source. Negative or positive values shift audio earlier or later. Also make sure OBS sample rate matches your OS and any hardware. Mismatched 44.1 versus 48 kHz causes drift. Repeat measure adjust until waveform aligns reliably. Finish by recording a longer clip to verify the fix holds over time. Short tests can hide drift. If audio slowly slips, reduce buffer size on your interface or enable a dedicated audio device instead of aggregate devices. Plugins like Audio Monitor or OBS Latency Fix can help for complex mixes. If things still fail, recheck sample rates and disable exclusive mode in Windows Sound Properties. This often resolves background resampling. If you hit problems, restart OBS after each setting change and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.